I don't even know what a gannet is.
Oh. It's Jack's birthday and we're going to see the gannet colony. This is what happens when you turn 32.
Let's go and see the gannet.
Ready for the gannet?
I don't even know what a gannet is.
Oh.
Stinks of shit.
Jack, let me get a video of you with the gannets. Smile with the gannets. Can you see them?
Why do all the gannets sit on this rock?
How was that experience?
They stink. They do smell. I've seen a gannet colony, which I can now say that I have done.